Hello everyone, we are on the Binomo Broker Trading Platform, and today we will continue to catch the end of price impulses. Our time frame is 5 minutes, actually 5 seconds to be precise. And we need two indicators. The first is the Bollinger Bands indicator. We will slightly fine-tune its settings, then incorporate it into the chart, and we also definitely need the RSI indicator. We will also modify the settings, specifically the levels on this particular indicator, to ensure optimal performance. So we need 30 and 70? Hold on a second, I got confused. 70 at the top, 30 at the bottom. There, that's it. And let me remind you of the rules of the trading strategy. We have just a few conditions for opening a trade, namely, we need to patiently wait until the price reaches the lower boundary of the price channel, which is clearly drawn by the Bollinger Bands. We also need to carefully wait until the RSI indicator line goes beyond the established boundaries of our 30 to 70 channel. In this case, that's 30. After that, we wait for the RSI indicator line, the yellow line, to cross the 30 level from below upwards. We wait for the candle to close and open a trade for an increase. The signal for a decrease is exactly the opposite. We wait until the price action carefully reaches the upper boundary of our established channel, This is the upper limit of the price channel. Then we patiently wait for the relative strength index, or RSI indicator, to decisively break through the 70 level from below, moving upwards. After that crucial event, we must then wait until the RSI indicator line breaks through the 70 level from above, moving downwards. We then wait for the current candle to fully close, so that the RSI indicator value is firmly fixed and confirmed. Only then, and not before, do we open a trade for a decrease in price. Let's see how this trading strategy works in practice. There's nothing complicated here, but well, maybe I'm explaining the entry points a bit too complicatedly. In practice, it will look much simpler. We have the dollar-yen currency pair. We wait for the RSI indicator line to break through the 30 level from below upwards. Be absolutely sure to wait for the candle to fully close indeed. This is a 50-second candle, remember. While the candle is forming, as you can see, the indicator jumps around. We need to wait for direct confirmation. If you cannot clearly see it, do not hesitate to adjust the indicator window so that the line is clearly visible and you fully understand precisely where it is located. If you enter right at the 30 or 70 line, there will be a significant number of false trades. We need the line to close above. More precisely, it should end up inside the 70-30 channel, and only after that should you open a trade. As you can see, the impulse is still continuing for now, and now, after this candle closes, most likely we'll open a trade. Yeah, by the way, I was a little late already. It was this candle right here. After it closed, we then needed to open an upward trade position. That's it, now we just sit and wait, don't touch anything, and simply observe carefully. The first trade is a loss. It happens, there's no way to avoid it. This trading strategy, like any other, sometimes gives losing signals. But what interests us is the result over a considerably long period of time, and so far the overall results aren't too bad at all. So here, the price has already been moving along the Bollinger Band border for quite a significant while. The Decadere site has also been consistently below the 30 level for quite an extended period of time. We need to wait until the impulse is over, and then we can open a trade to go up. Alright, we're going to open a trade. Yes, we're opening it. That's it, make sure to wait. Don't rush. Another trade in the red. Don't get discouraged. Here we can try to open a position. We had a very clear signal, and the price is about at exactly the same level where the signal appeared, even perhaps a bit better. The price has also reached the very lowest boundary, even more so than was the case with Benz, and our decadere RSI indicator line was well below the 30 level, indicating a strong oversold condition. The trade closes in profit. We continue trading. Euro, New Zealand dollar, we have a very clear signal. We will now enter for a significant upward move. The price was initially at the lower boundary, the RSI line was indeed well below the 30 level, and then it subsequently returned to the 70 to 30 channel. We then promptly opened a trade for a substantial upward move. Another trade is in profit. Here we missed the signal. So, we are about to get a new signal for a downward move. All the conditions are met, we just need to wait for the RSI line. That's it, we open on the new candle, open a trade for a downward move, and wait. Another trade is in profit. As you can see, there is nothing complicated about this trading strategy, we periodically check the charts to observe what's currently happening and always patiently wait for a clear signal from the RSI indicator line. First and foremost, the line must return to the 70-30 channel, indicating a specific market condition. We have a timer showing how many seconds are left until the current candle closes. As soon as this candle closes, the signal candle, we open a trade. And under no circumstances should you do it earlier, because the RSI indicator line redraws itself in real time. The price drops, the line drops, the price goes up, the line goes up, and so on. I really don't think you need these particular false signals at all. It's better to wait a little bit, spend a bit more time, but the signals will be even more accurate indeed. Even so, this is still a considerably risky trading strategy, since the expiration time here, which is quite important, is not very long, and unfortunately, this particular trading strategy is highly susceptible to sudden market noise and unexpected, significant price fluctuations, which you typically don't see on shorter time frames like M15, M20, or on longer hourly time frames, and so on. So, as you can clearly see, the price can suddenly and dramatically change direction, and that's not always good or favorable for us. This is a crucial point to remember. But as you can see, so far, most of the signals have worked out for us and allowed us to slightly increase our balance. Another trade in profit, and with that I think I'll wrap up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, there's a lot of interesting stuff coming up. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and let me know what you think about this trading strategy. Have you tested it or not? By the way, the broker offers a demo account, so be sure to try it out on the demo before using it with real money. It's always best to thoroughly test any new trading strategy, at least on a demo account, ideally on a real account, but with the absolute minimum bet amount. In this specific case, the broker conveniently allows you to open a trade for as little as just $1, but you should never ever forget about the inherent risks of potentially losing your valuable funds. Be extremely careful with this approach, and of course, never ever trade with money you simply cannot afford to lose. Oh yeah. That's all from me. Thank you all very much for watching, good luck with your trading, and goodbye.